Alright, Dad, here's your Hlookup homework. So here it goes. Okay, we open the file. I'm going to go straight to step 2. It says on the table sheet, select cells A6 to B10. Create ranges using the Create From Selection dialog. We'll do that right now. So tables is down here. A6 to B10. We'll go up to formulas. Create from selection. Hit OK. And then we're going to select B1 to F2 on the same sheet. Click the name box and we'll call this H rates. Okay, B1 to F2. Apply define name. We're going to call it H underscore capital R 8 rates. Hit OK. Alright, so that's the second and third step. Step 4, we're going to do the Hlookup, go to Commission Sheet tab and select cell F5. Select cell F5 right there. We're going to start Hlookup, so Hlookup. I don't know if you can see that. Here you go. And then parentheses. We're going to use, we're just going to copy this box here. E5 is our lookup value. Side note, this is funny, it's Garen Park, Folsom, Granite Bay. It's kind of hilarious. Okay, so we're going to just click on E5, hit comma. Table array is going to be H rates. So type it exactly as you spelled it. Rates, comma. And then the roll index number is 2. And then hit enter. And that should be your number. And it says, as we go down, it says format the results as percent style with 2 decimal places. Okay, so we're going to click on the box, go to home, go up to here and click on the percentage sign, and then we're going to give it 2 decimals. Right here means increased decimal. So there it is, 1, 2. Boom, that's what we want. Okay, so there we are to step 5. Now we're going to copy the formula in F5 to cells F6 to F14. Okay, we know how to do that. F6 to F14 is just the rest of it. Right there. Boom. And that's what your answer should look like. Okay, for number 6. All right.